On the left side of the import dialog, we can see the source device. In this case, the SD card, which has been automatically detected by Lightroom. If I were to select another source device, you would see the new directory highlighted and expanded in this menu. I went ahead and changed the source device to the My Lightroom photos on our desktop. So you can see now in my preview area, these are all the thumbnails of the images that are in that folder. If I wanted to go back to my SD card, I could click here. And you can see that the SD card has one image on it. And it's this RAW file from my Nikon D5100 camera. The thumbnails in this preview area are categorized into 3 sections: all photos, new photos, and destination folders. We'll come back to this in just a minute. The size of these thumbnails can be changed by dragging the thumbnail slider at the bottom here, left to right. If you want to go larger, you move right. The thumbnail can also be enlarged by double-clicking on it. So if I were to double-click on this photo, you'll notice that it expands. And this expanded view is called Loop View. To toggle between Loop View and the previous view, which is known as Grid View, you can use these 2 buttons here.